Hello everyone, we've got a nice little circles question here, and this one is from a senior math challenge paper. So it says the circles P, Q and R are all tangent to each other. Their centres all lie on the diameter of P as shown in the figure. What is the value of the circumference of Q plus the circumference of R divided by the circumference of P? And there's various options to choose from there. So first of all, let's call the radius of r lowercase r, and let's call the radius of q lowercase q. Now we can notice, so that means that the circumference of q is going to be 2 times pi times q because it's 2 pi r, and the circumference of r is going to be 2 times pi times r because it's 2 pi r. Now, what about the circumference of P? Well, you'll notice that we've got a radius there, a radius there, a radius there, and a radius there. So the diameter of P, okay, the diameter of P is 2Q plus 2R. So we need to halve that in order to get an expression for the radius, okay? So we've got to halve that in order to get an expression for the radius. So therefore, the radius is going to be Q plus R, okay? That's going to be our radius of P. So if I put down P, there's the radius of P. It's Q plus R. So therefore, the circumference of P is going to be 2 pi times by Q plus R. Okay, so now we can get to answering the question, because the question's asking us what is the value of the circumference of Q plus the circumference of R divided by the circumference of P. So the circumference of Q, we've said, is 2 pi Q. The circumference of R, we've said, is 2 pi R. 2 pi R. And we've said that the circumference of P is 2 pi times by Q plus R. So that's our expression for what we're trying to find, okay, the circumference of those two things divided by each other. Now, we can cancel out basically 2 pi, because 2 pi is common to every single term in this whole expression. So cancel, 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 cancel. You can only do that when something's in every single term. And that gives us Q add R over Q add R. So the answer is 1. Okay, so that's a little bit of a surprising result, isn't it, to think that the two circumferences there of Q and R add together. When you divide it by the circumference of P, the answer that you get is 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.